Hey everyone, Google Veo 3 just got a new upgrade. Now it has a brand new feature, image to video. You can turn a single picture into 8 seconds video with sound effects. This upgrade is also fixes the consistency issues we had before. Let's try out this feature. Open your Chrome browser, type Flow AI in the search bar, click on the first link, click Create with Flow. Next, click on New Project. There you can see two options like text to video and frames to video. Just click on frames to video. On the bottom you can see three options. Click on the first one. Click on upload. Now upload your desired image. Now click on crop and save. Here give the prompt what do you want to see in the video. Here you can pause and see what I have explained in the prompt. Then click here, select outputs per prompt, select one and select model. There are 4 models. I am going to select the Veo 3 fast mode and press the enter. It will take some time to generate your video. So finally you can see the results.
Success isn't loud. It's in the quiet routines, the moments you control, the way you prepare before the world even sees you.
You can see what I had explained in the prompt and what I have got in the video. It's amazing and exactly the results I want. In some areas you can't use Flow AI. So now I'm going to create video with Google Gemini through Veo 3. Type Google Gemini in the search bar. Click on the first link. Here you can see the interface. On the bottom you can see some options. Click on the video option and click on add photo. Then select your desired image. Hit the prompt and press the enter. It will take some time to generate your video.
Sometimes happiness is just a quiet cafe, sunlight on your skin, and the perfect iced matcha.
Now you can see the awesome results with voice and perfect lip sync. Now I'm going to show you some more videos which I have generated from images.
The situation is out of control here, and we are just stuck here.
If killing me was your plan, you should have done it before I walked in.
So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.